Hi guys, I'm Marsha. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm working on painting my chicken coop. I've got probably about an hour and a half maybe that I can spare. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to try to get some more painting done to it. Hopefully between today and tomorrow I'll be able to get some more work done on it. But when you only have about an hour to an hour and a half in the evening for a project, they can go a little bit slow. I am making progress, however. You might be wondering why I'm starting at the top and not at the bottom. I don't have any extra help here today, and the cats like to help with the painting project. So I'm going to start at the top and do as much of it as I can on the outside, and hopefully the cats will lose interest and I'll be able to head to the inside of the chicken coop and get some of the roosts and whatnot from there, but they're usually pretty curious about the projects that I'm working on. Well guys, I'm running out of daylight, and I don't want to give up on this painting just yet because I'm getting really close to the end. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on, and I will show you the completed painting project tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video.